These angry birds are hungry for ham, and you're about to find out. Hit it! Hey everyone, Awsmguy95 here, and today I will be reacting to Hungry Birds 2, created by Exploshi. So now without further ado, on with the video! Hungry Birds, there's the blues, the chicken, and Toucan Sam. There's Hal, the boomerang bird. Ham? Oh, what did they do to Hal? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That was scary. It's the blues' turn.
3 servings of ribs are on the menu. Let's eat.
The angry birds are hungry for ham. Or should I say, the unholy angry birds. It's Matilda's turn.
You can't have bacon without eggs.
Eggs? Oh my gosh. She exploded. Delicious, oh my gosh. Let us dine on swine sublime. After what I just saw, I will never play Angry Birds the same way again. Then again, I might. While I'm on the subject, I've heard there was going to be an Angry Birds 3. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'm Awsmguy95. Stay tuned for more reactions. And with that in mind, I'll see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, and peace.